Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to have a video in at Balne level crossing. Does it come through now and again then?
Yeah, they used to come through more, and then they opened that road from somewhere down line, Jonescroft.
Yeah. Anyway, in other news, time is 12:55. This will be the 1300 hours Freightliner service from Immingham to Milford to Immingham.
Yeah, they send more around that way and keep the
Yeah.
main line clear.
Oh, I film at Fenwick as well.
Pardon?
I film at Fenwick as well.
Oh dear,
Airworth.
yeah.
Moss. One just up line, isn't there? Balne Lowgate. Balne.
Born.
Yeah.
It's pronounced Born.
Is it?
Yeah. Highgate.
Yeah, that's it. Highgate.
Yeah, this is Lowgate. Right, I'm going to wander in a bit.
Right, okay.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you. 4R50, just past Hirst. Should start seeing him soon. I think there's going to be all one we're waiting for. I don't know where that 1E1 thing is. Alright, so your next train out of Doncaster is going to be that, 1D11. Wherever the hell he is. Oh, no he's not, it's going up that way. Here's a freight train, so that's why it's taking quite a bit. Where is it going again? Let's have a look. Milford to Immingham. Here it is, after 4 minutes time. You can tell it's a freight train, they don't bomb through like Azumis do. Birmingham. Right, get up. Thank you. Right, thanks everyone. I'll see you next time.